Hey guys, so I have a catback exhaust here, 4 inches, dual exhaust, one muffler, and another muffler. These things were so loud, it was ridiculous. I had glass pack in there, so basically resonators. It just went right through. The car was so loud, you couldn't even drive it. It was totally ridiculous. Anyways, so I built a muffler inside of it in case you want to build one. Here's an idea of a 5-chamber muffler that will make it whisper quiet, guys. Check it out. So that pipe goes in there in the first chamber, and it actually isn't connected to it. It just goes inside of it, and it's a little bit smaller. So some of the exhaust will go into this chamber, canceling some sounds, and then the rest of it goes through here. Sound will bounce back and forth, as you can see, and then travel into this, bounce back and forth here, travel into this. Sound waves will go into this closed off chamber, bouncing around, and then the exhaust will flow like that into there. And out there, pretty straightforward. You could build one yourself. Anybody can do it, my buddy Ryan thinks.
One last thing to say, subscribe.
Thanks for watching, guys. Hopefully this helps you out in case you don't want to have really loud exhaust. So all we got to do now is close it off, obviously. And I only used a flux core welder. If you had a TIG welder, obviously you could make it more beautiful than this. Subscribe, like, send me $5.